How to get to the Elizabeth line from Paddington Station. So first of all, we're going to walk in through the main entrance, which is towards Paddington with all National Rail services. Now, Paddington being a very busy station, it has 5 undergrounds. You've got Bakerloo line, Hammersmith City, the Circle, District and the Elizabeth line. And the one we're going to be getting today is the Elizabeth line. So coming in from the High Street or from Praed Street, we walk down Eastbourne Terrace, which is where we're walking now. To the right is the main station, Paddington, the British Rail with its National Rail services. But if we're going to get in the Elizabeth line, which takes you either into the West End or out towards Reading or Heathrow. Now, as I say, it is a very busy station, serving the Bakerloo, Circle, District, Hammersmith City, as well as the Elizabeth line. Now you can go east or west when you get to the station. Westbound trains will take you towards Heathrow Airport, terminals 2, 3, 4 and 5, and Reading. It branches off at Hayes and Harlington. Now going eastbound, the trains will take you to either Abbey Wood or Shenfield. You just need to check the front of the trains when you're going to board them. Now, it takes around 28 minutes to get to Heathrow Airport from Paddington. And to get to Bond Street or Liverpool Street, Bond Street's around 3 minutes, one stop. And Liverpool Street is about 10 minutes. So you're quite central. Just get the escalator down. There are lifts available as well. They try to discourage people with bags or suitcases, luggages from using the escalators. They'd prefer if people use the lifts. Come down the first set of escalators or the lifts, as I say. You can turn either left or right here through the barriers. Both of them will take you down to the platform level. And then there's another set of escalators taking you down. This will bring you down to the platform level, and as I say, depending on whether you're going east or westbound, you can check the notice boards there or the signage. It will tell you which way you want to go. If you want to go to Heathrow Airport, it's westbound, and eastbound is towards Shenfield and Abbey Wood. And the trains are coming every 2 or 3 minutes here, and it has got a electronic signage at the top, so you can just check your destination. Not every train will be going to Heathrow, so you'll have to wait until the one that you want appears on the notice board before you board the train. Some of them also do terminate at Paddington, but the sign will come up telling you not to board. There's also plenty of guards at Paddington, it being a major hub. It's a very long platform, as you can see. But as I say, it's well served with notice boards, digital displays, and also plenty of guards should you get a bit confused and you're not sure where to go. And also, as you can see, there are markings on the ground for wheelchair access.